Hi, this is Kevin Cook, the heavy equipment guy here at Star Tractor. Now I'm in a Cat 312 here. Some basics on the excavator here on the Cat 312 I'm going to show you. Good looking little machine. 30,000 pound excavator. As you can see, I just started the engine up. The monitor. These two levers in front can move the machine for you, right, left, straight, back. Remember, before you get started, you gotta always move this baby out right here. See how I did it? There we go. Seat belt is on. As you can see, this one goes up and down, up and down. Like this one goes right, left, right, left. Need to move the machine back. Got another machine next to us, so I'm gonna move it back out of the way. Look at your surroundings. Make sure nothing's in your way back there. Nothing's in front of us. There you can see the camera. Nothing is directly behind us. See, I'm moving these two back. You hear it going? Look at it move. Okay, what I'm going to do is turn it a little bit here. See how I'm at left hand only on this one? Now, I'm going to use both of them again. Get far away from everything. There we go. Keep going here. Okay. Alright, we're in position, kind of away from everything. Bucket's still up. You've got the foot pedals too here, so if you need to go forward or back. You see I'm pushing back and right. Okay, part two here, as I've got the handle in my hand here. Okay, let's see, turning, 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 turning. Okay, that's how you do that in the left. Okay. Move that baby up a little bit more. Then to dump it, push down on here. There you go. And curl it back by pushing back. See? Alright, again. Dump, push forward, bring back, curl back. Alright. This one will also move it for a dump position right here on the left and right. As you can see, it doesn't move the arm. And curl back. See, all the way to the left, you're curling back. And to the right again. Curling out. Help digging. Just some basic little skills to learn. Yeah, again, pull back to turn it on one, pull both back, you go straight back. There we go, go right on this one, and then go back this one. So we're going to put it all back to where it was. Again, if you got any questions, give me a call at 817-733-3799. Thank you, and God bless.